Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not loading. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not loading, you should just go to settings like this where you click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter here. Then in this page you should to go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff as you see, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.